Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
Pretty good, Chris.
What's going on? Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. I just got back from a flight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I fly planes.
Oh, what were you flying?
F-14 Tomcat.
Oh, you're a fighter pilot.
Well, yeah, I mean, model airplanes. But you know, they say it's actually harder than flying the real plane. Because you're on the ground, you're not in the cockpit, you're not seeing everything that's going on. So I mean, I think I could pretty much fly the real thing.
Okay. Okay. Well, since you're quite the aviator, I have a cocktail I think you might enjoy today.
Yeah.
It's called the Arte de Valor.
Well, what does that mean?
Well, in Spanish it means the art of flying.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's a riff off the Aviation, but they use tequila instead of gin.
Oh, I love tequila.
All right. Well, this is definitely your cocktail.
Yeah, I'll have one.
Give it a shot. All right.
Yeah.
Come right up. We're using 2 ounces of tequila. You use a Blanco or Reposado or Añejo. We're using a Castores today, a Reposado. 2 ounces, built in a cocktail tin. Next, we're going to use a Maraschino Liqueur. We're going to use a 1/4 ounce.
You like Tom Cruise?
Yeah, I watched movies growing up. Yeah, I'm a fan. Sure. Yourself?
Yeah, I love Tom Cruise.
Oh, okay. Tough to hate.
I mean, have you ever seen Top Gun?
I have. Yeah. Not for a while, but
what's your favorite scene?
oh, when they flying around all crazy.
Yeah.
We use a 1/4 ounce of that Gifford Crème de Violette. What was your favorite scene, sir?
I've seen the movie 142 times.
142.
This year.
So the entire movie is your favorite part. 1/4 ounce simple syrup.
Yeah, I can't really pick a favorite. It's like choosing a favorite toe.
Okay. 2/3 an ounce fresh lemon juice. I hope you like this drink. And then we're gonna add ice to your cocktail tin.
I hope you like Tom Cruise.
Yeah. I mean, not as much as you, I don't think.
I don't think so, no.
I don't think so. We're gonna shake. About 10 seconds. Okay. And then into a chilled cocktail coupe, we're gonna strain up. Squeeze no ice. It's a very similar color to the Aviation. And for the garnish, we use a swath of lemon.
Really flew away on you, didn't it?
I like it. It's really the flying drink. Plop it there. Well, that's the Arte de Valor. I really hope Tom Cruise will approve of this drink. There you go.
I don't think he drinks.
Oh, yeah, no, probably not. Well, cheers, sir.
Cheers.
Hope you enjoy it. Well, sir, what do you think?
Excellent cocktail.
Oh,
I
yes.
really like it. The tequila works. It just works.
Okay.
It works with that drink.
Okay.
Flowery, sweet, sour.
Okay.
I'm ready to fly.
All right. Maybe, hopefully tomorrow, right?
Yeah, maybe
now.
I should wait.
We should probably wait. You should have a cocktail, sir.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, that would be.
F-14 Tomcat.
That's a very powerful plane.
Yeah.
All right. Well, keep on cruising the air. If you like this cocktail, please like our video.
I like this cocktail, but
All right.
I've got the need for speed.
Oh, Need for Speed. To cruise. Yeah. Great movie. Subscribe for many more cocktails, slow or fast. And then we're on the Blue Collar Bartender on Instagram.
Okay.
Well, sir, enjoy your day. Be careful out there.
I'm going to go home and watch Top Gun.
Okay. 143rd time.
All right.
All right. Bye.